Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Sports in Motion, your online fitness trainer. The best exercises curated by the best coaches in the world from the sports company. Game on.
Namaste. Let's start with few sitting asanas today. Sit straight. Keep on breathing calmly. Spread your legs straight in front of you. Slowly, from one side, take them at the back. Put a V shape, toes together and heels apart. And make a seat and sit comfortably. This is Vajrasana. See to it that your spine is straight, shoulders rolled back a little bit, chin little bit up, and relax. Keep on breathing normally. Relax yourself completely. Just concentrate on your breath. Slowly slide your hands forward and come back to the original position. Let's go for Paschimottanasana. Keep your spine straight, chin little bit up. Slowly slide your hands towards your toes. Do not force yourself. Till wherever you can reach, just relax and let your body loose. And slowly come back. Do according to your capacity. Again, let's go for cat and cow pose, that is Marjarasana. See to it your body is in a perfect square. Check for yourself, your knees should be below your hips and your elbows below your shoulders. Check your alignment, knees apart, and slowly relax your back. Let it deep down, let it sink down, and your chin up. Do not sink in your shoulders and keep on breathing. Do not pull your stomach inside. Relax and keep on breathing. Slowly take your chin towards your chest and elevate your back as much as your capacity is. Do not over exceed and do not pull your stomach. Keep on breathing normally as per your capacity. Slowly, after you're done, take your chin up, relax your back. Let's go for Tripad Marjarasana. Take your knees together and feet together. Slowly slide your leg back and slowly pick it up. See to it you are not bent in your knees. Keep your legs straight and try to balance yourself on the 3 points. Do not let your pelvis go sink down on one side. Balance yourself and keep on breathing. Slowly come back to the original position. Do it with the other leg. Slide the leg touching the ground and then elevate it as per your capacity. There's no need that the leg should be straight. Just don't bend it in the knee. Only if you can lift it 1 centimeter above the ground, it is still okay. Slowly take your leg down on the ground and slowly fold it back into position. Put both the legs on one side and sit down on the mat and relax yourself completely. Let's go for Matsyendrasana now. Bend both the knees. Put your one leg under your buttocks, that is near your perineum. Your left leg, keep it on the right side. Put the left hand on the right side above the leg and the right hand at the back near your buttocks. Twist to the right side completely. Let your shoulders be 180 degree. Let there be a completely horizontal line. And relax yourself. Enjoy the twist. Keep on breathing normally. Same we will do on the other side with the opposite leg. Again, bend your knees. Put one leg under your buttocks near the perineum. This time, put your right leg on the left side and the right hand above the leg. Twist to your left side completely. Twist as much as you can, but do not lift your shoulders and keep on breathing normally. Again, come out of the asana. Do it with ease. Keep on breathing normally. Do not stress yourself. Let's go for Ardha Padmasana. Keep your leg on your groin, any one leg, and the other leg just slide it below the other leg. Interlock your fingers at the back. Slowly chin up and slowly, without raising your buttocks will be on the mat. Slowly bend forward as per your capacity. This is Yoga Mudra, which is really good for low back pain. As per your capacity, bend down. It is good if your nose can touch the ground. If not, it is still okay. Eventually, gravity will help you. Just relax wherever you are and keep on breathing. Keep on breathing. Let your elbows and shoulders loose. Relax yourself. Experience the stretch at your lower back. Slowly, as per your capacity. Keep on breathing. Slowly take your elbows back, chin up. Slowly come up and relax yourself. Let's go for Bhujangasana. Turn to one side and get down on your mat on your stomach. Slowly relax yourself. Put your forehead on the ground, feet together, heels together, toes together. Take your hands at your chest level. Slowly rise up. See to it your elbows are below your shoulders, completely 90 degree. And see to it your feet are together and your chin up. Experience a pull at your lower back. This will ease your lower back pain and completely relax in this position. Keep on breathing normally. Do not stress yourself. Slowly come down. Relax yourself. Keep one hand on your chest and one on your abdomen. Relax completely. Close your eyes. Just let your body loose and just focus on your breathing. Initially, count your breaths. One inhalation and one exhalation is equal to one count. Count your breaths. Focus your mind only on your breaths. Feel the vibrations within your body. Feel the movements of your chest and your stomach during your breathing. Completely relax yourself. Let go of all the stress, all the anxiety which you had in your day. Let go everything and just relax in the present moment in your breath. Keep on breathing normally. Relax yourself. Slowly feel your breath In your nostrils, feel the thermal sensation. When you inhale, there is a warm breath, and when you exhale, there is a little cool breath. Feel it, feel the vibrations. Completely relax yourself. Just think about the positive side. Slowly open your eyes and relax. I hope you had a good session. Thank you.